my name's Elaine Gwynedd and I'm in my first year studying Welsh at Aberystwyth University.
Hello, I'm Ellen Roach and I'm studying Professional Welsh at Aber. Well, I decided to sit the exams because the head of sixth form at my school kept pestering me to do them and said, oh, you must sit these exams, they're a fantastic opportunity. And to be honest, I kind of just let it go over my head and it kept on and on. I thought, oh, I better do them then because they obviously must be worth doing. And I can honestly say it's the best thing I ever did before starting university. I managed to secure an unconditional offer, which was fantastic and took off a lot of that immediate pressure, and also £1,000, which is absolutely invaluable as a student.
I had to sit two exams, one in Welsh and the other, I think it was drama, and I think it's 1 hour and a half for both papers on the same day, and yeah, you basically sit the exam, and it's just you could think of it as a practice in a way, and a way for you to prepare for the work at university.
Now, in terms of choosing the exams that you're going to sit, it's really important that you choose two subjects that are going to be relevant to your degree scheme. Personally, I didn't find the papers too challenging. Obviously, they are set at a certain standard to test your academic ability and knowledge, but please don't be too concerned that you're not going to be able to sit them or complete them, because they really aren't that bad.
After sitting the exam, you'll get a result at the end, which won't go against anything and won't contribute towards your degree at all. But I had an unconditional offer from the university and the Merit Award, which was £1,000, and that was all because I sat the exam, and that's the only thing I did. I sat two exams, and then you get hopefully an unconditional offer and some money, which is very useful.
I would definitely recommend sitting the entrance exams, because if you are fortunate enough to win an award, then you will have that for life to put down on your CV or any job applications, and it's also a fantastic preparation for you before you start your degree at uni. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember about the closing date for the entrance exam applications, which is the 7th of May.